Hello, my friends from the age of Aquarius. It's okay if I will call you people from the age of Aquarius, because you are stackers, you are smart. You are not like other 99%. You are the smarter of the smarter. So we are unboxing today. I got Corona 20 Coronas. I keep buying this Coronas. As we know, price is so attractive. I bought a lot of one tenants. Now I'm buying all this 20 Coronas. I bought a lot of 10 Coronas, and this is a 20 Coronas from SD Bullion, my lovely site. Our mission is to glorify God through how we manage SD Bullion service customers. Like SD Bullion, they always stay behind their product, and they always deliver. They always deliver, and the price is reasonable prices. Yes, like everything about them. If you watch videos, I don't remember the guy, but these are videos going on YouTube from SD Bullion, where they update, you know, with economy, what's going on in the world, blah, 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 and all this stuff. Oh, it's a very good condition, I see. Okay, so I have a bunch of these Coronas, and I like this Corona. And today, I will be walking about us. We are the people. We are the people, okay? So let me see Corona. Yeah. Corona icon. So this is the SD Bullion 1915 Austrian Gold 20 Corona BU Rest Strike. Two. I bought two of them. Okay, so I have some Coronas. So yeah, very nice, very nice. Let's see close. So we are the people, right? We are the people. Apes are waking up. Do you like this apes video? Apes are waking up, right? So why we are stuck in gold and silver? Why we like stuck in gold and silver? Because we are waking up. Yeah, Corona. 20 Corona. So this, if you don't know, this is Austrian Corona gold coin, which is a right-facing profile of Emperor Franz Joseph. He was a ruler over Austro-Hungary over 100 from 1848 until his death in 1916. He was a lucky one. He died exactly before First World War. Austro-Hungary was split into two countries. Now we know as Austria and Hungary. Before it was Austro-Hungary Empire. Following the end of World War I in 1980. He was one of the longest serving leaders in European history. And he has a lot of gold. Probably he was a smart one if he keep after Hungary for so long. I was in Austria, I was in Hungary. I like Hungary. Hungary men are so beautiful, the black hair, you know, long, tall. Yeah, the women are not so. The best woman is Poland and Ukraine. It's like what I see, what I know. But I like all this European gold because it's cheap and it has a lot of historical value to me. Yep, ape are waking up. I see it everywhere, everywhere. And I call you people from the age of Aquarius because you stack gold and silver if you watch this video, right? Let me stop for the moment and let me start to pack them into capsules. So I have a bunch of these Coronas. I have 100 Corona, Imperator Joseph. I have 10 coronas, almost 0.1 ounce, and I have 20 coronas, only one. So adding more to stack. So how much gold? I forget. I think it's 0.196. Yeah, almost 0.2. And the price is very attractive, like 360 bucks for 0.2 ounce of gold. So I consider myself ape who woke up. Ape from ape who woke up. I want to give you a message, guys. I want to give you a message. I like what is going on around us. What was not possible 2-3 years ago, it's really possible today. It's really possible today. Apes are waking up everywhere. And if you was, even if you was silver stacker and you sold your silver because you need, you learn that silver and gold are real money, right? You learn this actually, right? It will be not easy for the system to trick you, right? Because you are smart ape. Like me, I am smart ape. I don't care all this bullshit what they are telling me from media. I really don't care. I know what are the real money. And you know, it's not only related to the money, guys, in our life. It's related to everything, everything. Because 95% around us, what they're telling us, it's not truth, guys. It's not truth. You know, and I'm very sorry for the people who still don't understand this, you know. And you know what they are telling you? Oh, it's yields, or it's bonds, or it is stocks, you know. It's all bullshit, guys. It's all about supply and demand. Supply is up, demand is down. And money supply, right? The money supply. In last year, they printed, how much? 30% or 40%? I don't know. In last year, they printed 30% of all money ever exist. 30%, guys. So what do you expect? You see silver price going down, like, yeah. Commodities, all commodities will go up because money are going up. Commodities will go up. Silver and gold, they are lagging, yeah, usually lagging, because what do you think? You need silver, gold? No, you need food, you need water, you need gas. You know, when you have everything, then you start looking to something else, which is silver and gold, so they are always lagging, okay? Don't be fooled by this, okay? Don't be fooled. All this money which are printed will try to find a safe place. They try to find a safe place where? Cryptocurrency? Really safe place? You kidding me? One day 20% up, another day 20% down. There is some place for cryptocurrency. Of course there is some place. But institutional and smart people, silver, silver, silver. Elon, I dare you. Tweet silver. He will never tweet silver. He will never ever tweet silver. And you know why, right? So let it be like this. Let's apes to be more educated as we are. We are getting more smart and more smart and more smart. We're getting more apes. I see this Wall Street silver. It's a grow, guys. I don't remember how many. Last time I checked, it was 40 something thousand, you know, as they grow every day, and people share and share and share. So they try to put you down, and we are waking up. They put us down. The price is manipulated, and we are waking up. I don't know how you guys, but I bought a bunch of gold and silver last couple of months. Okay, I just feel it is in the air. It's gonna blow. It's gonna blow, guys. It's gonna blow hard. It's gonna blow hard. So you better be ready. Okay, that's what I'm telling myself every day. Okay, I keep some money on my saving account. I keep some money on my checking account. You know, saving account I probably keep I don't know, maybe 6 months, 5-6 months on my saving account. You know, to survive, some cash, food, water, and whatever I have extension of my money. I just use gold, silver. I'm on silver, let's say 30% plus. My average on silver is 20 bucks. And my average on gold is a little bit more than spot. I think like 1850, 900, something like this, because I'm only 2 years in gold. And I am 5 years in silver. So what is telling me? The time is tell, okay? The time is tell. Commodities, silver, gold, they are slow up, slow down, okay? You don't expect like Bitcoin to go up in one day. I don't expect this, okay? This is not my gambling. This is saving my purchase power for the next 5-10 years. I am saving. I am saving. I want to save my purchase power for the next 5-10 years. It's almost BU, right? Uncirculated, I think. Yeah, very nice condition. And I hope you guys also woke up. I hope apes are waking up. And, you know, silver community are getting stronger and stronger and stronger and bigger. And accumulate, guys. You are from the age of Aquarius. I am welcoming you into the age of Aquarius. And if you watch this channel, you know what I'm talking about. I am the ape who woke up. Who you are, guys. Who you are, you need to understand who you are. They want us to be slaves. This entire slavery system, it's corrupted, it's garbage, you know, these dollars they print from thin air, they just bullshit us, guys. They say, yeah, we are bullshit you, you know this, you know, it's from thin air, but what you gonna do is this? Wait, well, this what we gonna do, guys. This what we gonna do. The gold, the silver, gold, this is how we play this game. And trust me, we need time. It may go down 1600 even. I don't care. You will not find it in the view when it will be 1600. You don't understand. It's already rare. It's already hard to get. And you know, last day I'm checking gold, silver everywhere. 10 pieces, 20 pieces, 50 pieces. 1-2 years ago it was 1,000. Now, 2-3 months it's worth hundreds. Now it's maybe tens. You understand where we go? Less and less and less and less. Because who want to sell on these prices, right? Everyone understand where we go, right? So we don't want to sell on these ridiculously cheap prices, right? Okay, guys, I think you enjoy my show. Okay, this is a big one. I like this big. This almost one, 0.98. This is one only I have, Corona. Yeah, but it's not easy to sell. You know, these guys will be much easier to sell when time will come, when I need my cash. Yeah, gold is easy to unload. Yeah, silver is not also complicated, but you know. Gold is the money, silver is the money, but silver also have a lot of use cases. Yeah, this is what I want to share with you today, guys. Thanks for watching and put your comments. Are you ape who woke up? When I say ape, I didn't mean, you know, to say something wrong about you. I mean that we are the people who try to wake up. It's from movies, right? So we are the people. I am the ape who woke up. I'm telling you, it's a beautiful world when we will all wake up. We will all wake up. It will be a beautiful world, okay? Because in this world, what we have three culture. I mean, more or less 3-4 culture. The one is like in India, you know, when everything about spirit. Another one is the West. We are in the West. The most stupid culture ever. Money is everything. Oh man, this is the most stupid culture ever, you know. They care so little about real thing, and they care so much about fake. Money is everything. The most stupid civilization, okay, in the earth. And then we have another culture like Russia, you know, like when they try to merge the materialistic world and this spiritual world. And you see what happens. They try to kill Russia for the last, if you look into history, last 100, 200 years, they just, the first World War, the Bolshevik Revolution, the Second World War, you know. It was Aloha Staker who showed his Russian gold, ruble, and I told him, don't look into mintage. It's all fake. 5 million? No. It was all melted down. You know, when Russia tried to collect gold and, you know, pay for all services, you know, for world services, it was all melted down. It's so rare pieces left. Yeah, it was a hard time. Okay, guys, I don't want to hold you anymore. Keep stacking, and apes from the age of Aquarius, put your comments. Bye bye, all the best.